In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create an interactive map in Microsoft SharePoint Lists. By the end, you'll have a list view that displays your locations on a map using built-in formatting, no custom app required. First, open your SharePoint homepage and head to the site where you want this map to live. You'll need permission to create a list in that site. Once you're on the site's landing page, select New, then choose List. This starts a fresh list dedicated to your map. You'll see the Create screen. Confirm you're creating a new list, then give it a clear, memorable name like Map or Locations. A short, optional description can help teammates understand what this list is for, but it isn't required. When you're ready, click Create to build the list. With the list open, it's time to add the field that will power your map. Select Add Column, choose Text, and then click Next. Name this column something meaningful such as address or geolocation. This is the column where you'll store either street addresses or latitude and longitude values. Keep it as a single line of text so the formatting engine can read it easily, and click Save. Tip: for best results, be consistent. Use complete addresses or use coordinates in a format like 47.6062, 122, 3321. Now let's turn the list into a map. Open the View menu and make sure you're on All Items. From the same menu, choose Format Current View. In the formatting pane that opens, switch to Advanced Mode. This brings up the JSON editor, which controls how the view is rendered. Paste in the JSON formatting code you've prepared that defines the map. This code tells SharePoint how to interpret your location column and display the results as an interactive map. Before you save, double-check that any field references inside the JSON match the exact name of your location column. If your column is called address, the JSON should reference that name precisely. When everything looks good, click Save. Your list view will refresh and you should now see an interactive map in place of the standard rows. You can pan and zoom the map, and each item with a valid address or coordinate will appear as a pin. If you don't see pins, verify that your entries are valid locations and that the JSON uses the correct column name. That's it. You navigated to your site, created a list, added a text column for locations, formatted the current view in advanced mode, pasted the map, JSON, and saved. You now have a clean interactive map view your team can use right inside SharePoint.